In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about substring function in the SQL. So this substring function will give us the specific letters that we want to get. For example, if you know any programming language, the substring function or the substring method is used for getting specific data from the let's say from your strings. And in the SQL, we will use this getting the specific information from the table. Let me show you. I will write select, and this time I will not say asterisk or star. I will not use this. I will say substring, okay? And I will write open and close parentheses. And between this open and close parentheses, you should write the column name, what you want to get as a substring. I will say this name. You can see here I have the table. Let me make this a little bit higher. You can see this is my table, and I have here 11 records. I will say I will do this substring for the name column, and I will write comma. After writing comma here, you should say the specific information. For example, I will get 1 and comma 3. Okay, in this situation, I will get the letters like this, P, E, and T. Okay, let me run this SQL. But before running, I will say from random underscore table, because my table name is a random underscore table. You can get it from here. If I run this SQL, you can see, first of all, I got this G, A, and the C. And then I said I got P, E, and T, S, T, E, R, I, C. You can see here, I just got the names. I just got the first 3 letters of this name. Okay, let me come here. Let me create new SQL. I will say select asterisk from and the random underscore table. You can see this is my table. This is my names here, and here I just got first 3 letters from the each record. Okay, guys, you can see this is the real and this is the let me show you. Let me explain why when you can, let's say, need this. For example, your boss asked you to get me users, but with the specific name, with not with the, let's say, long names. For example, let's assume here I have the department names, and the department names can be very long. And if you want to get, for example, this biology name as a substring, you can write this, give me substring of this biology and just first 3 letters. In this situation, you will get just this, okay, bio. And this is the one example you can use this substring. You can need this substring. And I will use here the as keyword. We've seen this as keyword before. I will say the select substring from the name, and the first 3 letters I will write as, okay, and I will write my quotes, single quotes, and I will say the first 3 letters. Okay, if I click run this SQL, you can see, let me make this a little bit longer. First 3 letters is this. Okay, guys, now I want to show you the left keyword and the right keyword. Let's remove this, all of this. I will say the select. Okay, now I should write my name. I will say the left, this is my keyword, and I will write open and close parentheses. When I write here open and close parentheses, these parentheses actually belongs to the left. I mean left keyword. And I should write the, let's just close this. And I should write here the column name that I want to do this operation. I will say name. Okay, after writing name, I will write the comma, and I will say just 5. In this situation, if I run this SQL, actually, I should write here the from random underscore table. Okay, I didn't write my table name. I will run this SQL, and you can see I just got the first 5 letters here. Jack, Peter, and I just get this step. S, T, E, P, and H. This is the first 5 letters of the Stefan, okay? And here I also get R, I, C, H, and A from the Richard, okay? If you change this, for example, to 1, you will only get the 1 letter. I mean, you can get only the names of this, the first letters of these names. Okay, you can see here, I just from the Jack I just got G, and from the Peter I just get P. Okay guys, I will do the same thing for the right. I will remove the MySQL. I will say select, and I will write the right keyword, okay, and open and close parentheses. Between this open and close parentheses, we should write the name, because I want to use this right keyword with this, let's say, name column, okay, and I will write here the from random underscore table, and I should give the, after this comma, I should say how much or how many letters I want to get. I will say just 3. Okay, in this situation, when you run this SQL, you will get the 3 letters from the right. Okay, let's come here. You can see it, the last in here, the last 3 letter of Jack is A, C, and K. Okay guys, and we can write this as and the single quotes, or let's not write single quotes. I will say the first underscore, or it's not first, last underscore 3. Okay, if you run this SQL, you will get as a last 3. For example, if you write here 5, you will get last 5. Okay, Jack, Peter, and you can see here you got E, P, H, E, and N, and this is the last 5 letters of the Stephen. Okay guys, that is the right keyword, and these keywords, I can say that it is so they are so useful. We will use this while this course, and we will write also the real world application using these keywords. Okay guys, let's finish this lesson here, and in the next tutorial we will continue our lessons.